Hey guys, Jocelyn here from System 1 Research. Hope you're enjoying the show so far. My favorite part of the creative guidance system is seeing the ads that we've tested eventually go live. Guiding our clients on which executional elements to dial up and down, and then seeing that come to life, nothing beats it. One of the most important executional elements in advertising is soundtrack. Let's face it, great advertising has great music, and any change in that music can significantly impact an ad's performance. Reducing or even removing voiceover completely and allowing a song to tell the story of your ad can really boost emotional engagement. In fact, even creatively playing with silence can boost engagement too. But like I said, nothing beats a great song. In this next ad called Nova Veja Gold by Reckitt Benckiser in Brazil, a young man takes dirty, greasy cleaning to the next level. Through a classic and vibrant soundtrack, he's able to transform a mundane task into an exciting activity. Don't be surprised if you get this song stuck in your head next time you need to clean up a big mess. I'm a maniac about this ad. Let's watch it.